Andre, hey, it's Spence. Got a question. So I'm going to show you how you do this. First of all, if you just want to show the default header, which is what I do for myself, you don't have to do any custom element at all. You literally just go to Fluent Community Customizer and use the shortcode, which is what I showed you here. You know, copy, show header. That will take the default header that you're using on the rest of the site and show it just fine. If you want to make a custom header, here's some tricks. Okay. First of all, you can do it as a default or anything else you want. I've seen it work, but I think for headers, I found that it works best to do a template. So let's do one together. Now, you can show anything you want in that header space, but if you're trying to show the actual header elements, you're going to probably end up needing to use that Kadence feature of custom headers, but no big deal. So let's do a template. We'll call it alternative header for Kadence. Now, when you do this, I would set it in this mode here, and I would put in a row. I just like the rows as a way to organize stuff. You do not need to do that, but like this allows me, for example, to say inherent max width from theme, gives me the design control, keeps the header stuff in place. If you don't do that, you actually, which could be good here, allows it to go full width. Next, you can put in whatever the elements are that you're going to need. And for this, there's this header advanced where you can create a new header or choose an existing one. Let's make one from one of the templates just to save me the misery. Alternative header for community. Okay. Or we'll call it community header. And I'll say alternative for FC. Okay. Now, we could choose the layout. Any or all of the above. Let's say we want to do this. I mean, I would probably use this one. You could do this one. Let's do this one. Okay. You could choose the logo and all, you know, whatever. Mobile layout. Now, once you've got that in place, you've got to do your, you know, details on this. Set this thing up, do what you're going to do. I'm not a big fan of this because this is the old fashioned, you know, like header combined with the new builder. I don't really love this builder, but it does give you a certain degree of control. So if you use this, now you got to set your visibility. Go over here, placement. You could say replace header, but we're not going to do that, are we? I mean, you could do this, but we're not going to do this because we're just going to use the shortcode. Okay, so placement is none, but display settings, entire site, and then user settings, all users. Unless you want to limit it, but that's not going to be logical for what we're doing. Okay, click save. And we can preview this. I think it'll show. Right, so you can see it there. All right, now, once we're done with that, and it's saved, let's go back over. We've got alternative header for Kadence. We're going to copy that. And if I go to my customizer, instead of show header, let's see what happens. Crossing my fingers. I have the option here like you did for make header full width. Let's see what happens. Voila. Now, notice this weird spacing above and below. That's because we have that row. So what I want to do here is set that to 0 padding or 0 margin top and bottom. No big deal. Very easy to fix. So what I would do here is I don't need to set that into a row. I just like to set it into a row because it gives me naming conventions. Also, notice that I have this extra paragraph. So that's going to add space. Let's get rid of the paragraph. And then let's go to the row, and I just do the advanced, and I see where the padding is. I'm like, oh, that's not going to help. But the padding is actually, yeah, see, it's outside of there. So let's get rid of the padding. So I just do this, and I go bye-bye padding, save, save, refresh. Life is good, baby.